If he wanted to, he would have. If she wanted to, she would have. But what if instead of focusing on them, you start focusing on yourself, on your journey, and start thinking that if it was meant to be, it would have been. If they were meant to stay, then they would have stayed. If they were meant to do that particular thing, they would have done that. बिकॉज बेबी जहाँ पे कर्म बंधन होते हैं, जहाँ पे कर्मों का लेना देना होता है, जहाँ पे एनर्जी का लेना देना होता है, वहाँ पे समथिंग बिगर देन अस कंट्रोल दीज थिंग्स. और अगर कर्मों का लेना देना है बचा है, अगर एनर्जी का लेना देना बचा है, देन समथिंग would have made them do that thing. Something would have made you stay even after they did not do that particular thing. कुछ ना कुछ होके वो चैप्टर चलता रहता. बट इफ थिंग्स आर नॉट मेंट टू बी, अगर वो कर्मों का लेना देना खत्म हो गया है, अगर वो कर्म बंधन पूरा हो गया है, तो इवन द स्लाइटेस्ट थिंग, इवन द स्लाइटेस्ट मिस्टेक would force you to end that chapter, would force them to end that chapter. So start focusing on yourself. Start focusing on your journey instead of still focusing on the chapter that is not meant to be.